Welcome back to Michael's Kitchen, and today we got a Blackstone pizza oven, and we're making a pizza. So I've had this pizza oven for quite some time. Long enough where I got this apron for Father's Day, babe.
Yeah.
Father's Day from Alicia. And we went shopping for that Blackstone pizza oven, and she found out how much that pizza oven was, and she said, for that price, you better be making pizzas every day. So we're here. This is not necessarily a pizza recipe. This is really about the Blackstone oven and how fast it is. It's a steep learning curve. I have mastered dough.
Yes.
Ask Carolyn, she's our official taste tester, she'll let you know below. I have mastered red sauce, from making all this. But so here's our dough, and really quick, I got garlic powder, Italian herb seasoning, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella provolone shredded cheese, diced onions. Some people don't think pineapple would go on pizza.
But I love pineapple on pizza sauce.
Diced pineapple, pepperoni from my side, bacon, and sausage that's already cooked up. So we'll get this ready to go, and I'll start forming the pizza right now. There is a steep learning curve with this pizza making. I have burnt my fair share of pizzas. I have made bad dough, I've made wet dough. So this is a shout out to Jeff in Indiana, who we have come up with this one that's been working for me successfully. So a huge shout out to him. Also this parchment paper cheating. We had for the genius that gave us a comment about the tiles on our countertop. Yeah, you're right. I've never put anything on my tiles on the countertop. I always have something underneath. But I'm happy if you want to sponsor Michael's Kitchen and give us new granite countertops.
I'll take it.
Happy to do that. Genius. Anyways, my dough, the first trick of the trade is get it into semolina. First trick of the trade. So get it into semolina, toss it around. That's my first tip one. Parchment paper, that's tip two. Parchment paper is tip one. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put this onto my peel and press it out. And yes, I can get fancy and toss, which I have been practicing on, but for success here,
He's doing it.
success here, and again, bigger is better. And then I can just stretch this out. Quick story as I'm making this. I was getting eager and I invited Alicia and Toby for pizza, and I made them a pizza about that big. And
Person of pizza's eyes.
and Triple M said, "That's not for them, is it?" I said, "Okay, I'll make them another one." Then, as always, red sauce.
Did you show your pizza sauce?
I have not. If they want to see, just comment down below. I'm happy to make a quick tip pizza sauce. And Triple M liked it, Carol liked it, Alicia liked it.
Good.
Simple, inexpensive,
Made it yourself.
made herself, and
Healthy.
she comes and says, "Put away, freeze the sauce, because we have to save it for when you make pizza again." That's how good it was. She didn't want to throw it away.
It was good.
Then for me, I like doing on the sauce some Parmesan cheese. Like the light dusting of garlic powder.
In the pizza, you put garlic on.
Levi, garlic on everything. And then Italian herb grinder on the sauce before I start even putting stuff on here. And Carolyn was always asking, what are you doing to that pizza? It tastes so different. There's my tricks. Then mozzarella provolone. I just don't do mozzarella, I like the actual mix. Mozzarella provolone, so I shred both.
Good, that's so good. Toby's person doesn't like pizza.
She eats all the pizzas. We do half pizza, she eats all
The
four of her
ones you made.
slices.
Oh, and the one in Gardensburg. Here we go.
Just for the pizza.
Yes, for pizza.
From here, do what you want. We're gonna do onions,
Your basil.
pineapples,
Oh, my garden.
the fresh basil,
Yes.
sausage, bacon. Look, we're making our own pizza. We don't gotta worry about being cheap with our own ingredients. I'll put as much as I want on here and we'll enjoy it. And last but certainly not least, I'll do pepperoni because I love pepperoni pizza. I love hot honey pepperoni. Notice I'm only doing on one half of the pizza. Why?
Because I don't like pepperoni. You gotta wash your basil.
Triple M just handed me fresh basil from the garden, so I had to rinse it off and put fresh basil, which it makes all the difference all over the pizza.
Put it all. I love basil.
To the pizza oven we go. So we're outside at our gorgeous Blackstone pizza oven with the rotating table. I'm going to stop the rotating. I'm gonna launch the pizza and then rotate it again. The first time it was done in about 1 minute and I realized I was going way too hot. I tell you, it takes some experience. So I like 450 and then I let it go for 2 minutes. Well, you'll see. It'll get bubbly and crumbly.
Oh, we wait here. We wait.
That's been about, what, 2 minutes, minute and a half?
Probably.
It's ready to come out. So I'll stop the rotation again. Go with my deal, scoop it up.
Look at that.
I can get rid of this parchment paper, call it a day. Inside the slice. Pizza's out. Get it off. If you get this peel, get the one with the orange handle. Don't cheap out and get the one with the black handle. We went to multiple places looking for that. And while we're out, we got our Blackstone pizza slicer. And then we just slice, rock and slice. Oh, before I do that, Parmesan cheese. Then I can rock and slice. So I'll pick my slice. We had a pause for a thumbnail intermission. So I'll pick my slice, and I enjoy a little bit of hot honey or some red pepper flake. This one happens to be Chipotle hot honey, which is straight fire. Again, it's not about the pizza review, it's about the oven. But since we're here, let's see what we got. One bite, everyone knows the rules. That'll work. Are you gonna come here and have yours?
No, because my hair got wet.
Guys, if you like the video,
Like the video.
comment down below if there's anything else you want us to try or make. We know we've been gone, but we're back. That said,
A buen
a buen tiempo,
tiempo.
guys. That's good. The basil's the best part.
Here, getting my slides. People don't look at my hair. That's good.
Better in the oven?
Yeah. You told them that the flavor is just totally different, like tastes like real pizza from a restaurant.
I tell Jeff, who has one, I said, it doesn't even compare to what's coming out of here. See you guys.